This video is going to be about the Canyon Dancer Bar Harness 2. This is going to be the easiest and safest way to strap down a sport bike for transportation. Other methods of strapping down a bike put your plastics at risk. I purchased the standard sport bar off of Amazon for $22.45. That was the cheapest that I found around. I have the link down in the description below. This is how it comes packaged. Inside you will get directions of how to install the straps, but I will go over it with you in this video. The Canyon Dancer comes with a nice fleece wrap that protects your tank from the straps. Inside the cups is a foam pad to protect the end of your handlebars. At the end of the strap, they added a nice feature. Their stitching for the strap says CD for Canyon Dancer. Alright, to install the Canyon Dancers onto your motorcycle, it's really quite simple. All you gotta do is basically start with the one side, center it up on your handlebars. You're gonna run it underneath any accessories you have here, like my ram mount. And then you're gonna hook it on to the other side. And once you get it hooked on, all you're gonna do is pull on the straps to tighten it up a little bit, and then you're gonna center this fleece liner so that it's nicely in the center and it's not going to affect anything. Now you have your strap mounting points out here on the ends that you could run your straps to. Now I've seen online where a lot of people will put in some microfiber towels inside here since there is a little bit of a wobble. I'll most likely be doing that on this trip just to help make sure that this stays exactly centered where I want it to, and also not wear down the handlebars from any added pressure. So I'm going to make sure that everything is nice and secure. Next, all we need to do is hook up our straps. Alright, so the next thing that you need to do after you have your Canyon Dancer onto your bike, you need to put on your ratchet straps. For this, I'm using the Rhino straps. They have a little clip right here to help hold it into place. Just stick the strap on, then you're going to come down to your mounting point and you're going to hook on your ratchet. Once your ratchet's on, you're going to grab the end of your strap and you're going to feed it up through the ratchet. Pulling it somewhat tight but not super tight because you need to have some strap wrapped around to help secure it. So I've got a little bit of play here. And then I'm just going to start ratcheting it. Now I'm not going to go too tight because I haven't done the other side. I'm just going to hold it pretty much right there so it's still loose, but it's not moving the bike at all. And now I'm going to move on to the other side and get that taken care of. This is going to be the exact same process as the other side. With the straps on, you want to tighten them down. Now, what a lot of people will do is they'll tighten one side down pretty tight and then they'll go even out the other side. I don't like doing that. I like tightening them at the same time. That way the bike comes straight down. So with these things, with the straps roughly the same stiffness, you're just going to go ahead and ratchet this down. And as you can see, the bike is pretty much coming straight down. And you want to ensure that you're not compressing the bike too much. So right there is about as far as I want to go with that. And you can see the bike is really not going anywhere. Now, one thing that they do recommend doing with the Canyon Dancers is adding an additional set of straps on to secure it in case anything ever happens with the Canyon Dancers. It's good to have a backup. On my E-Track down here, I have hooks that I'm going to strap an additional strap on to just be as a backup. It's going to be really loose so that in case one of these straps actually breaks or something happens and the bike spring loads to one side, it'll catch it. So it's just something very basic, but it's an added safety in my mind that'll give me some peace of mind. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If any part of this video was helpful to you, please leave a comment down below and let me know. Subscribe to see more upcoming projects from this vehicle and multiple other ones. I have a review coming up for the Rhino straps and a video of how to properly strap down a bike for transportation. Thanks again for watching.